Hi guys! Welcome to the new video! Ayan, nandito na naman kami sa greenhouse at mangunguha kami ng mga gulay-gulay. Ayan, nandyan si Joe at magdidilig din siya.
Hello peoples!
Ayan, so dito is, sandali muna. Ayan, maraming kamatis. Ayan, yellow. Ayan.
Golden Wonder.
What's the name?
No, I think Golden Girl.
Golden Girl. Ayan, malaki, malalaki. At dito, wala pang ready dyan. Kuhanin natin to kasi.
Oh, that's big already.
Hindi pwede ito. Ayan. Merong maliit. Pero hayaan mo na natin. Ayan, may talong. Ayan, may isang talong na. Pero hindi, this is not ready yet.
Not long talong. No, it's long.
No. Not ready. Kaya hayaan muna natin. Tsaka kuhanin natin ito. Oh yeah. Tama ba yun? Para naman mainitan yung talong. Is talong. Itong talong na ito is mayroon siya. May ayan. Maano yung kamay ko kasi nanguha ako kanina ng mint. Yan, mayroong ng mint. Yan. Talong is life tayo. Pag maraming talong, ito, bell pepper. Ayan. Ito, ewan ko kung bakit ganito yung maliit na talong. Ayan, maliit na talong. Namamatay siya, guys, kasi mainit dito siguro. Na lalanta. Kuhanin natin yung lanta. Yung malanta siya, nalalanta. Aray ko. Ayan.
Oh, you don't like those leaves?
I will take out the leaves. Ayan, masakit. Meron siyang din, guys. Oh, may tinik. Masakit. Ayan. So, ewan ko bakit may mga tinik yan. Ayan. Hindi pa. Sa next week siguro ito. Ayan. So, may kamatis tayo dito. Ayan. Ito. Wala pa rin bunga. Ayan. So, manguha muna ako ng cucumber. Ayan. Mayroong isang cucumber. Ayan. Mahuhulog yan. Ayan. Mahuhulog yan. Isang cucumber. Saka, iyan siguro, hindi pa, maliit pa.
Ones like to curl, don't they, those cucumbers?
Yeah.
Sometimes they're very straight and sometimes they're really bent.
So, kuhanin natin ito. Yan, kamatis. Ayan. Iwanan yung iba. Yung mga yellow. And masarap kasi ito. Matamis ito, guys. Yan, marami na kaming nakuha dito. Sobrang niyang tamis. Yan. Ay, na na. Kinakain din siguro ng dito. Yan nalamsak. Ayan. Kasi mayroong manghuwan dito kuminsan. Naunahan pa. Ayan. Pagkatapos nito, punta kami ng ng garden. At doon naman mangunguha. Kasi maraming gulay din doon. Yung iba, yellow, ayan. maraming yellow. Ayan. And guys, mayroon din ditong rosemary. Mangunguha ako. Dahil i-dry ko ito guys. Ayan, ito siya. Oh. Ayan. Lagi ko lang yung basket yan sa baba. Mag-shoot lang. Yan, nag-shoot lang siya. Ayun, nahuhulog lang sa basket. Kasi, ayan, ayan. Lagay ko dito. Ayan guys, oh. Ginagawa ko kasing tea. Ginagawang tea. Ayan. So ito guys, ito siya yung hazelnuts. Ayan, hazelnuts yan guys. Ito siya, ayan. Ayan, hazelnuts. Pero hindi pa siya ready. Ewan ko kung kailan mag-ready ito. Ayan, marami siya. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, ito is lagot sa akin pag pag ready na sila. Ayan. Tapos meron ditong grapes. Ayan. Ayan o, grapes. Ayan. Ayan. Pero kinakain lang sila ng mga bubuyog. Hindi ito lumalaki. Kinakain ng mga bubuyog, guys.
And what have you bread tomatoes?
Which one?
Yeah.
I left that one because it's not ready. Ayan o. So, ito naman is bay leaf. Ayan, bay leaf ito.
It's a massive one, Bun.
Yeah, yan, bay leaves. Ayan, malaki. Hi guys, andito tayo sa apple tree. Oh, ayan oh. Marami pa rin. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung crab apple. Ayan, ang dami-dami nila guys. Ayan. 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 Sobrang dami. Ayan sa taas. Ayan o. Ayan, ang dami nila. Ayan. So, ayan. Dito ang dami rin. Ayan. So, ito guys. Ayan. Yan siya. Ayan. Ayan. Matamis siya. Apple na apple yung ayan. Lasa. So, ayan. Si John nag-harvest na.
That's another squash.
Wow. Yan o. Ay, marami na pala. Marami na.
These are the wild ones, I think. Never plant these.
This one here?
Yeah, all these small red ones are wild.
Oh, hindi daw niya eh.
Let's say not been in the compost.
Yeah, hindi daw niya naitanim to. Kusa lang. Here.
Oh, thanks. Oh, there we go.
Kusa lang daw tumubo ito. Doon sa compost na hiningi niya. Siguro yung kinain ng mga hayop. Tapos ito ang kinalabasan. Ayan. So, ayan. Maraming kamatis. You have the basket here. Yan. Ang daming kamatis.
Oh, and it's red. Pepper, rotten.
Rotten?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's red already.
Oh no. Ayan. Sobrang daming kamatis. Araw-araw kami kumakain ng kamatis, guys.
But there's a lot more small ones. It's only a fine plant. So many peppers.
Yeah. Ayan, ito oh. Ayan, ang dami oh. Maliit. Ay. Sobrang liit. Ayan.
Half red.
Ayan. Is it no good?
No, it's rotten.
Ayan, nabulok daw. Ayan, dito.
Big man.
Ayan, mayroong project. Ayan, oh. Dito naman is courgette. Ayan. Kuhanin ko to kasi hindi nalalaki ito. Mabubulok siya. Ayan, oh, nabubulok. Ayan. Ayan.
Golden nuggets.
Golden nugget, ha? Isa. Ayan. Wala siyang laman sa loob. Doon. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Salad. Agoy, ang dami. Agoy, agoy, agoy. Ayan, oh. Punong-puno. Dami, oh. Ayan, daming kamatis. Hinog na siya. Ayan. Ayan, hinog na. Ang dami pa sa loob. May maliit, may malaki. Kamatis na naman ang ulam namin ito. Kanina kamatis din, ngayon kamatis na naman. Wala lang akong time kasi pagod din ako sa pagtrabaho, guys. Kaya ay naku, Diyos ko, ang dami doon sa loob. Ayan, oh. Kamatis kayo dyan. Parang nakikita ko yung puro lang ng kamatis. Yan, dami ng kamatis. Oh, puro kamatis. Ano ba sa loob? Yan, marami pala doon sa loob. Ayan, pag ganitong time of the year, marami kaming gulay. Ayan. Hindi na kami bumibili ng gulay. Ayan, ito pa siya. Ayun, gets. Malapit lang sa Pinas. Ayan. Daming kamatis. Gagawin ko siguro itong tapos lagay ko sa bote pag may time ako, guys. Wala lang talaga akong time. Meron pa sa loob. Ayan. Lagay ko muna dyan sa taas para hindi ko makalimutan. Ayan, marami pa dito kamatis. Oh. Where?
Yeah.
Where? Ay, bili! Alright, ayan. Meron hinog doon sa loob. Ayun na doon sa kabila mamaya. Game maro na talaga siya.
Marrow already.
Yeah. Yeah. Malaki.
Another dead bean plants. Maybe they have it.
Maybe they want some cucumber. There's more beans there.
I'll get them. You want this?
Yeah, ayan.
Someone's
Cucumber.
been scratching, I think.
Oh, no. It's okay. Yan, dalawang cucumber. Jen, you can pick that out before you go marrow. Jill.
Yeah.
There's one behind you. Twisted it. Twisted it. Yan. Okay. So, the bird beans.
Oh, this one is massive.
Where?
And that.
Really? Oh, my God. Ayan, ang laki.
And then to that
Oh.
show, the biggest marrow show.
Yeah. Can you hold the yeah. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Oh, laki. Oh, Diyos ko. Let me see your arms.
Almost. without my hand.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Now we're gonna have the soup
There's
tonight.
still more flowers, man. It's going to be a lot more beans.
Yeah. Yeah.
And now it's so messy. What about the spinach before it's all gone?
Oh no, it's finished that one.
Small leaves.
No, it's fine. Manguha muna kami ng beans, guys. Yan, dami beans.
I think it's string beans, isn't it? This
No,
one?
this is not string beans. Yeah. Ayan, ang dami beans. Oh, my cucumber dito isa.
I think they're nice. Raw, these ones.
Broad beans is this one here. Ayan. The one here is broad beans.
Mm.
Pick now.
I forgot about this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ayan,
Oh,
ang
you lost
daming
one.
beans. Ayan na. Ang kamay ko. Ang dumi. Marumi na siya. Oh, can you help me here? I think I damaged the whole thing. Ayan. Ayan, ang dami. Here. That one. Yeah.
I want.
No. No. Oh, I can hear the bell.
I'm going to try one, but.
Yeah. Nice.
Sweet.
Me. Oh, sarap. Matamis nga. Ayan, namatay yung isang puno. Pero marami pa rin siyang bulaklak. Yan. Matamis nga. Na isang cucumber dyan. Kuhanin natin to kasi hindi naman nalaki yan.
Oh, it's a massive tomatoes there.
Yan. Yan, dami oh.
And let's try.
Yeah. You take that with you. Ayan.
Some big tomatoes here.
Yeah, I see that before. Daming kamatis. Diyos ko, maraming kamatis.
It's overgrown. There's probably tomatoes under there that are ready, but.
I'd pick already.
Oh.
I just picked them. So,
Tomatoes.
no. So much tomatoes. Ayan siya, guys. Yan. Can you bring the marrow?
Wheelbarrow.
Well, marrow. Yeah, so ayan ang ating gulay for today. Chiwan. Or leave it because you're eating the,
Oh, disgusting.
yeah, eating the leaves anyway, so leave that one. Is
Yeah, we
it?
don't want to eat leaves, do we?
No, because we don't eat the leaves anyway.
Yeah, I suppose.
Leave it to be a good
But maybe
butterfly.
you can eat all of them in
No,
very
I don't.
fast.
I don't think so.
Big one.
So ayan guys, sa sobrang init dito, ayan, yung mga damo is namamatay sila. Ayan dito, walang ulan ilang araw. Ayan. Shall we now?
Yeah.
Get the lettuce as well. Ayan, so
Yeah, I need to put that.
oh, you put it there.
So
You
our
put it
curry
there.
is too much.
Ayan guys, so mayroon kaming beans, cucumber, rosemary, kamatis, gulay, ayan, gulay, salad. So yan ang aming, mayroon kami ditong ano, ay, si
Put your
John
hand
ako.
there again, bud. So you can see how big. Yeah.
So mayroon lettuce, marrow, courgette, ayan, mga gulay guys. Ayan, maraming kamatis, ayan, cucumber, rosemary. So, ayan guys, marami kaming kuha today. Ayan, so, uwi muna kami. Kasi hapon na dito. Ayan, so ayan ang aming mga kuha. Taran! So,
That's all for today.
si Jonah.
Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Bye.
Bago tayo umuwi, tingnan muna natin yung grapes. Kasi kinakain sila ng mga ibon. So nilalagyan nila ng ibon at saka yung rabbit at saka yung tawag nito yung wasp, bubuyog. Ang tawag nun, ayan oh, ganyan na sila guys oh. Ayan na, ayan. Ayan na siya. Ganyan na siya. Matamis siya. Kaya pala kinakain sila ng ano. Ayan. Ang dami na. Pero dito lang siya nahinog. Yan. Yan yung hinog. Pero sa iba, hindi sila mahinog. Ayan oh. Yan. Ang lambat. Kasi marami sa loob. Kinakain sila ng mga animals dito. So, ayan lang guys. Hindi pa masyadong malaki, pero matamis naman siya, matamis. Ayan, oh. Nakatayo. Nakatayo. Ayan sila dito, malalaki. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan o, nakain sila. Oh, ayan o, kinakain sila. Ayan, kinakain sila ng bubuyog. The wasp?
Yeah, always lots of wasps in there.
Yan, puputulin na yan. One day. Let's go!